Hello everyone. Today I'm going to replace Honda CRV key batteries. The batteries you need is a CR1620. The tools you need is a small Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. First, you need a small Phillips screwdriver to unscrew that tiny screw at the back of the key. Take the screw out, and you can see on the side of the key there is a small slot. You can use the flat screwdriver to gently pry open it. You can see there's an arrow pointing to the slot. Use the screwdriver to pry batteries off. Get new batteries. The positive facing down, push it in. And then put them together. Gently press, make sure you hear the snap sound. Next, put the small screw in and tighten it up. Make sure it's very tight. Bingo, finished.